Well, this morning we're getting chip and seal, the third layer to this repaved street. The first step in this process was adding a layer of asphalt to raise the grade of the road in this section. We need to cover up our driveway so it doesn't get any seal and chips on it. Duct tape universal solution. The second layer of this process was oil and sand. Oh, I didn't capture it on video. A lot of equipment involved. So this is what the chip and seal finished product looks like. Very white right now. I assume it will be turning darker as the dust settles and it dries down. We shall see. The section in front of our house is coming up next. I get to check out the console. Wow, this is a brand new truck. Well, at least you didn't take the wrapping off the handle there yet. You don't mind if I take video?
No, it's fine. So this is all the skivvies on the back. So this is for every one of these. This is 1 foot.
Wow.
This little computer tells me everything what I got going on back there, whether it's my width, what my shot rate is. There we go. How many gallons I've shot, how many feet I've shot.
Have you ever seen the little stripe on the right? Back, Chris.
Fantastic.
So yeah, this controls everything. It's my pump. PTO. Now my carriage is locked back there. All good.
Nice.
Yeah, so this is brand new. This is the first time it's ever been used. Was this last week.
Well, you're privileged to be the operator here, huh?
I am. It's very. This is awesome. This is one of my favorite jobs. This is like the best job there is. So.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And you're making this a nice new road too.
I'm making a nice new road. Yes.
We just moved in November, so it's kind of like a welcome to the community.
Yeah. We try to do this. I think they're trying to do like every 7 to 10 years.
Wow, here they come. Paper to protect the driveway. Using all the equipment. First 2 layers to the left, the final layer to the right. Now to do the left side. right side's drying down already. Looks like the tar paper and duct tape worked pretty good. It's a race. Who's gonna win? Well, there's an inspector of the road work. They wet the street down with, I assume, just water. And they'll come back and give it a sweep.